हेलो गाइज। सबसे पहले सभी को गुड मॉर्निंग एंड टुडेज मैं आप लोग को बताने जा रही हूँ फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के बारे में एंड बहुत ही इजी वे में मैं आप लोग को इस टॉपिक को समझाने की कोशिश करूँगी। तो देन स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज लोकेटेड इन pelvic region. Pelvic region means below the abdomen and this is the part of the female reproductive system. ओवरी, फैलोपियन ट्यूब और ओविडक्ट, फैलोपियन ट्यूब को ही ओविडक्ट भी बोलते हैं, यूट्रस, सर्विक्स, वेजिना। तो देन वन बाय वन आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. तो देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कम्स ओवरी. Ovary is the site of the ovum development. It is a primary sexual organ because here egg production. The ovary, the female gamete or eggs are made here. I means ovary, and ovary is also responsible for hormone productions such as progesterone or estrogen hormones. And progesterone or estrogen hormones helps in sexual characters such as hair development, changes in body, and changes in pitch of sound. And another hormone secreted by pituitary gland, which is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone, and their function is the different. FSH hormone development of follicles, and LH hormone, luteinizing hormones, development of ovulation. Then becomes uterus. Uterus is the elastic bag-like structure, and here zygote divided and make embryo and fetus. When the girl birth, then ovaries already contains thousands of immature eggs. On reaching puberty, some of these start maturing. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. The egg is carried from the ovaries to the uterus through a oviduct or fallopian tube. And here the work is completed by the uterus, and now we come to the point cervix. Cervix separated vagina from the uterus, and becomes the another parts vagina. Vagina is the passage of the sperms and passageway of the sperms, and menstrual flow, and this is the female reproductive system, and here is completed. Please comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.